Okay, so this is one of my first attempts at doing a video like this. I'm not real familiar with how to do it. But anyways, in this video, you are seeing what is a strange creature I caught on film. And between my boyfriend and I, we cannot figure out for the life of us what it possibly is. At the very end of this video, you will see some still shots of it, and it looks to us like it may have a claw or claws as hands, kind of like a lobster claw, and a scorpion tail, but it flies. So whatever this could possibly be, we have no idea. So that's why I'm posting this video, to see if anybody else might be able to identify it. And if you can, I would greatly appreciate it. And please leave a comment below or personally email me. That would be great. Thank you.